Okay, the address is here is 120 St. Benedict. We're here to verify a coating that's been done in 4-inch cast iron, and also the replacement of some of the cast iron with PVC. Right here is the portion that was coated. We'll record on the way back to the starting point, which is the stack. And I do have water running so you can see the flow. We'll come shortly to the part that has been replaced. That's the coating there. It's a two-part epoxy sewer coating. Takes care of small cracks, minor damage. Okay, right here is where the coating stops and where the PVC, you got a little bit of epoxy on the PVC, but this portion here is where it was actually replaced with 4-inch PVC. 4-inch cast iron was taken out, replaced with 4-inch PVC. We're going to record back to the starting point, which is the stack. Coming back up the stack. Our starting point is here, and I always like to do a view of the basement so to verify that we are in the right house. 120 St. Benedict.